she wasn't ready for the next challenge. Detective Clara Bennett was known for her determination. One day, as she sifted through her usual stack of paperwork...
Hey, welcome back. So when we talk about AI video generators, right? You know, storytelling is a big one. Check out that video for InVideo. We know the big players, InVideo AI, we know Flicky. Check out that video. But this time we're going to check out something different. It's called Short AI. In Short AI, and it's Short AI, not Shorts, right? So Short AI is an app that is quite interesting because it's specializing on YouTube Shorts, but it could be microlearning if you try to incorporate it in some kind of training campaign, right? So it could be microlearning because short videos, again, shorts, YouTube Shorts. You got maybe about 3 minutes now. Shorts can go up to 3 minutes, I think. Before they were cut down to 60 seconds, I think. So it's an interesting thing because it's a quick hit. You use prompts and do that. All right, you've seen the videos in the beginning. Let me go show you what this looks like. All right, so here we are at short.ai. Check out the videos, check out the links in the description as well. I started a free account. All right, let's see. Okay, I can go to my dashboard. And here we are in the dashboard. So as you know, AI tools, they work on the notion of credits. So you buy, let's say, a certain amount, and you get credits depending on the membership that you get into. Now, if I go back here and do this real quick, all right, we'll see a few things we need to check, right? So we always got to check pricing. Here's your pricing. I did the $30 one, so $30 a month. I got, actually, I'm lying. I did the $19 one. So yeah, I spent $19. I got 160 credits, and you can do faceless video, auto caption. So it has dynamic captions. It has, and it's in big use in two places, YouTube and TikTok. And you'll see why. So we have $19, $30, and obviously enterprise, $60 if you're really going to run this and do this. This type of product in AI use has some interesting things. So I would say, you know, it's no different than what you see on AI, InVideo AI or Flicky, but it does have some interesting things here. So there is a template, it's called the text template, and you can actually simulate a text conversation.
You know that effective policies can drastically change environmental outcomes? Absolutely, Alex. For instance,
So that's that. It has voices and it has other things. The way a story video works, here is how you create your story. Just want to take a quick moment to let you know about something you might like. If you are looking to start your own business, create your own branding kits, there's a great app called Luca. Luca actually provides you with everything you need, the full branding kit, just by entering a few answers and making a few selections on your graphics and colors. It will give you the full color palette. It will give you your presentation materials, logos in different modalities, and brochures, as well as social media banners. You can't beat it. It will save you a ton of time. I've used it for Corpraxis and many other brands. So check the link in the description if you want to find out more. Now, this is what this product seems to be offering is you select a style, then you pick any of the stories that you're here, or you provided its own prompt, right? So here's my prompt. All right, so here's the prompt. Creative story of a woman detective trying to solve a crime no one wants to speak about. That should be fun, right? So they ask you for two things. One is a hook. So what will make you watch the video, right? So the hook there. She was not ready for the next challenge. Right, so you're like, what do you mean she wasn't ready? And then here, the call to action. So that's at the end. So if you can tell, this is a marketing sort of thing. It is completely geared towards YouTube Shorts type thing, right? So 30 seconds, 60 to 90 seconds, and 90 to 120 seconds. I'm just gonna put subscribe on this one. and like. That's the call to action. But obviously you could do different things. So this is the process. This is it. You get the little template. So if you can tell, some of these forms, primarily, it looks like there might be an API here going to ChatGPT, as we talked about quite a bit. But let's take a look at it. So we'll generate that. You can generate it, and then it will give you the sample. So here it is. So notice this, right? Just give you that one sentence prompt. It works really well when you do that. The other videos that you saw, I gave it more like a story, like I wrote the story, and not so much a prompt. But here we are. So we click next. We say, okay, cool. The script is great. And then it gives you the option of your dynamic caption. So I pick this bottom one. And one thing I noticed before is that you pick the voice, and sometimes that voice may not stick. I don't know if it is a thing of the tier. So you know how much you're paying for this. But yeah. Oh, okay, so that's definitely down the... that's definitely what we need in terms of music for that video. And then what you have to watch is, look, in this first video, this stays selected. So I had the Indian accent. So the cool thing about this is two things on voices. They got accents and they got emphasis. So listen to this.
Where precision meets professionalism, this voice delivers your message with clarity and impact every time.
Every time. Very good. Very good accent. So if we... let's say this one.
Laissez-vous emporter par ma voix douce.
Oh, c'est français. Cool.
You got to be careful if you don't know where you're going.
There's your Australian accent. So it's got all of that. And if you come up here, you can just search American or whatever it is you're looking for. Hit enter, and then you'll hear some American voices.
Gobierno del pueblo.
A little Spanish there.
Difficulties increase the nearer we get to the goal.
There you go. Guy that's not really that excited about things.
If there is no struggle, there is no progress.
There you go. African American leader there. There's no struggle, there's no progress. Ethan?
Courage is not the absence of fear, but simply moving on with dignity despite that fear.
Ooh, wow. That's nice. It's a deep voice. All right, so let's say this is the key piece here. If you're wondering why your voice didn't come through, you have to click it. Yeah, make sure you click it and you see that border selected there. I think they have to do a better job with the UI for you to know what it is. But here we go. So you set it up, and it's, yeah, like any other system. Set it and forget it, and then you're done. And you can go back home. So we're back home. If you notice, they got all these different styles. They got some cool demos. There's this one.
The quiet town of Eldridge. Shadows whispered. In the quiet town of Eldridge, shadows whispered through cracked windows. The old Wrenstead house loomed on the hill, silent yet watchful. A local legend spoke of a family that vanished, consumed by darkness long ago.
Yeah, so this is pretty cool for, I can see this being used quite a bit if you want to send information campaigns, if you want to do quick micro-learning prompts for people, right? Hey, remember, the customer returns happen between the hours of this and that, but so-and-so didn't know, that type of thing. So, you know, quick video, hit the people on the phone. That's it. Maybe a little question at the bottom at the end, a little, you know, little tease, and there you go. All right, cool. So you have Short AI, which has all of this. Now, so in terms of, it's got some other cool features. So I'll tell you about the chat stuff. There's the fake text stuff, and you have to pick this background. But I don't get it. I guess it's something that is more like, I think it's a trend that's happening with the Minecraft background. But if I wanted to do text and I don't want to do background, you know, like a Minecraft background, what are the choices? Doesn't seem to be that clear. There's a theme. You can set the themes on the chats, and then you got audio to select, and then you got your script. And the cool thing is the script for the chat, then there's that, right? So the alignment, left, content, whether it's text or image. Oh, and there could be images included. So I like that. Maybe that'll be the next video. We'll do one with that. All right, so here you have it, Short AI. Links in the description. as low as $19. There is a free trial, but you can't really publish anything with it, but you can definitely play with it and see the samples. So as anything else with any of the other apps that I covered here before, you have all the stuff that it's saying. It's just the features of the software, and they're just making pages so you think that there's a lot more than there is, but it's just the features of the actual product. So with that, I want to thank you because you're awesome. We have over 400 subscribers now. I don't even know how that happened. Thank you for supporting it. Let us know. Let me know if you need anything. Drop in the comments if you want me to cover a specific app or not. But we keep it coming here. And I want to thank you again. Let's do this.